with a gap up, and that is what I think is visible. So the first rates will just start coming up on your screen. Now remember, we did a somersault in the last 1 hour of trade and markets made a comeback. Reliance is at 2200, which is not bad at all. Reliance is at 2200. Now what do we have? HDFC Bank is looking strong. Reliance is at 2200. Banks, selectively HDFC Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank did manage to eke out some gains, but today the follow-up in them is not there. I think the non-FI patronized stocks, which is, let's say, an RBL, IndusInd Bank, Federal Bank, they really hold the key, and they hold the key. I'm telling you why, because they hold the key for the sentiment more than the absolute change. We were looking at Bharti yesterday, which had a weak close. UPL of late has been a trending stock. There is a buzz that HNI investors are back in United Spirits and other liquor companies, that Karnataka price hike because Maharashtra has not increased prices. UPL is more like a dead cat bounce, or this is a stock which is now showing signs of life. Let's look at metals also, because that's the other pocket where we need to associate risk with action. And metals, mixed bag. Vedanta and Tata Steel, they both are moving not in sync with each other. Now that large block deal or treasury stocks in BPCL, they were in a sense gobbled up yesterday, and that is making the DI and FI number look very strong. But BPCL seems to be recovering from that large paper supply which we saw yesterday. 499, it's up by about 3.5% right now. So markets are looking good. The breadth is looking much better than what the index is capturing. So for me, I think the high point once again is that after a stumble and a stutter, and after a little bit of tumble, it's back to winning. It's back to a winning wave for the broader market. Aisha?
Yeah. It is, much unlike yesterday, where there was that one-day aberration when the broader markets actually underperformed. Today, we're back to our winning ways, and a solid 143 names actually standing to the advances within the FNO universe. Godrej Properties, 3% higher. HPCL, 3% higher there as well. IndusInd Bank, up 2.5%. Trent has been a very smart mover of late, and today as well, another 2.5% up in the green for Trent too. Coforge too holds up by about 2.25% or so. And on the flip side, the big winners from yesterday, SBI Life, ONGC, Concord, have been active participants of late. They are the ones which are easing off just that wee bit. What else is holding out? There's Escorts, RBL Bank, Chola Finance, the Nifty Bank as well is sitting pretty with almost a 1% kind of gain. For the Nifty though, it's a much tempered move as opposed to what the SGX Nifty, or for that matter the pre-open rates were indicating. We're 92 points higher, we're not complaining. 15,200 is a good level. Can we really cross previous week's high, and can we latch on to those levels? I think that is going to be more critical. Nikunj?
All right, Nitin Lalpuria joins us. Let's connect with him to understand his market view, where he's